Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raya and today I'm here with my birdies Jasmine and Luna. You can see them. And I recently noticed that they are getting bored. Jasmine lately lost her best friend Snow. We replaced it with Luna. By accident I did actually forgot the cage gate open on the balcony and they flew over to the trees on the other street. We managed miraculously to get Jasmine home, but we lost the Snow unfortunately, and Jasmine was really in a sad state. Then we brought a new bird home and we named her Luna. We found out Jasmine is not a female, it's a male, so Jazz now, but who cares? So this is their current cage and I'm really sick and tired from it. It's not convenient. I got it from Bismarck the day I brought Jasmine home, and I really wanted something new for them. I really do. So I'm gonna show you what I got them. I got them this huge, big cage from Amazon. I'm gonna link it below. I love this because it has this the upper of the cage has like you can open it and they can actually lay up here. My birds are really smart birds, especially Jasmine. She always come up when I open this cage here. She always go on the top, and she managed to go down. She knows the way. I wanted to buy more toys, but I managed to buy some craft because I want to make them their own toys. I've been seeing that they really like the swings more. They really hate the mirrors. Once I brought a mirror there, they were like panicking. I tried my hardest to grab everything in the home here for you guys so you can see how I'm going to build their cage. I never built a cage like this before. This is my first time, so I was like, why not filming it? I got my screws here. I got everything I could need later on. I just opened the box. So funny because it took a while to deliver. When I got it, I'm like, what is this? What I ordered? Oh my god, their cage. I was expecting it to be Thursday and Monday. Well, yes, they have a small swing for them. Oh my god, I really cannot wait to do all of this. I kind of like the old ones, they're clear and nice. Okay, we'll manage this later. Now let's build the cage. It's actually for parrots. It should look something, let me take it out from the bag here. It should look like something like this. Hope you can see. And I really wanted it because you can move it. So I think we're gonna start doing the table, then we're gonna build the cage, because the most important thing for me is to have the table because it's adjustable and it has like the small wheels here. So I guess I got my scissor. I really did got my scissor. Okay, no worries. I'm gonna maybe manage to open it like this. Let's see first how we're gonna start. So I hope you can see. Let me just put my camera a little bit further. You can see here. Okay. So let's see. It's Yatish. 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 Whatever. Okay, how we build it. Alrighty. Okay, this is how to build the cage. I want to know how to make the table. The small scroll table. Oh, okay. Let's take the clippers from here. I don't know why they clip this. So weird. Okay. I hate that voice with the paper. Oh my god, I can't stand it. Come on. Should not be that hot. Oh, I ripped it off. Okay. Okay. We managed mostly. Yes, we did. All right. I mean, here we go. Okay, it's step number 12, but I want to really start with it. I really want to start with it. Alrighty. Okay, we'll see. So we got K and O. There's parts here. There's these two. And supposedly there's another two. Oh yeah, there. Okay, got it. Hold on, you guys. I'm going to try my hardest to bring everything here so I don't have to leave the camera side, but it's fine. Here we go. Oh, okay. Expect this now. All right, so these are K, I guess. So they're like put numbers on them, a letter, so we can figure out which one to which one. So I guess this is gonna be. All right, I guess I can do this. Okay, I kind of like to build things for some reason. I really do like to build things. Like, I'm gonna show you later on, maybe another video how I should film that. I built a big library here on my own for the first time. I think it went very good actually. So, here are the sections. I'm going to open this now. So I can get the screws from it. That's really cool, and they're heavy. They're really heavy. Wow. I'm gonna get this and this. And I have no idea what is this. And this. Here you go. And just try to rip it off. Yes, baby, this is for you, baby. The mommy loves you and she cares. She really does care. This was a little bit, I would say, it's not very expensive. It's around $100. But I believe it's worth it. If you want your birds to be happy, I mean, you know, they also have souls and they need to be happy too. And I'm really sad till Jazz lost her best friend. And they were like, I figured out there later on that we're two males together. Yes, baby. And this one's getting rats and this, I just don't like that one. Okay. So, these two pieces, they should connect to these two. And in the middle, they have to have, I guess, kind of this here. Where is that one and which one is it? I can't believe this. This? Is it this one? Uh-oh. I guess it's this one. It's M, but they didn't actually have... Oh my god. So this one will be here. I guess this one has to fit somehow here. Maybe. I guess, yeah. Yeah? I don't know. Okay, this here. No. Oh, we'll see. It's going to take a while today. Okay, perfect. Then it's going to be on the other side. These ones. Uh-huh. Okay, here we go. Baby, come on, let's see. I want to just try you on. You're working. I guess, yes. Yeah. This is the one. I hope I'm not mistaken, but I really believe this is the one because all shapes are different. And this one is a little bit larger. There's space between the shapes. Yes, my love. You can eat. I just put some food for you, babies. We're gonna go to new home. I'm so excited. Okay. I got it now. Okay, done. So I guess I'm gonna take these two big pieces, which I have no idea what should I call them. Stands? Should I call them stands? And I hope I can just jam them in there. Oh, I can just jam them in there. This is the perfect one. I want to scroll all the time. Alrighty. We're going to put these together. Yes, this is the way. Yes, this is the way. Oh yeah. And from here, yes, cool. Then we're gonna take number, they're all the same. They come with this kind of the screw one that you use it. So I have my own tool here. That's much easier for me. I'm gonna manage to use it. It's easier to handle. I'm gonna see which one to which one. No, come on. What? Oh, come on. Just a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Here we go. Got it. Oh yeah. Yes, I'm really good at this. I never knew about it, but since I moved to my own home and I started doing these things, I'm really good at it. For the first time. Okay, now. We are going to build it. Here we go. I think this is the way. Let's start with this part here. Can make it easy for me to grab it, to manage. Okay. We'll see how it's gonna go. We're gonna put it in here. Yes, babies, I understand. And I'm just gonna screw it in there. Just like that. I'm gonna put them loose first, then I'm gonna tie them on when everything is settled because it's easier for me to handle all the part together. Yeah, it's much easier, I believe. Yeah, it's really much easier. Because if you tie up one on the corner, that's like from my experience building up things. If you actually try with one and like tie it up really good, the other ones might be need a bit looser, like to lose them up before you actually add more. So better to put them loose first, then like finish it later on. So I'm just adding this 8 is 8. Okay, I'm gonna of course do it from the other side. Put it on and secure it. Okay, and then take this one and see. Do you see what I mean? Them really need some muscles, some strength. Now I'm gonna secure it again. Okay, almost there. And then we are going to do the same here. To put this on. Secure it again, not very tidy, just a little bit to hold it all together. And the last two, oh, they give me a spare one. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put it again here, and this one too. Moving to my camera, I don't want to show you. Here we go. Grip. Sacrifice my life. Pakistan. Okay, now we're gonna just screw it. Here we go. Perfect. Nice. Really good for you, babies. Really good for you. one. And the last corner. And this last corner. And this is for my parakeets. My budgies. Make sure it's pretty and good for my buddies. Look at this one, I guess. Make sure everything is safe and secured for my babies. Ow! Okay, we're fine. And now we're gonna add the kind of rack here. I hope it's easy to install this. Oh, it is. Okay, that was not hard. I'm impressed. Okay, alrighty. Oh my god. I don't think I'm gonna add the wheels now, maybe in the end, so it's not gonna bother me keep moving now. Because we're gonna jam the bob, it's gonna be a piece of cake. I'm gonna put this on, just finish this one. Proud of myself. And now, okay, now the big part. I'm really happy I'm done with this. Now let's see how we're going to start. They really number them and give them letters, but they are not on the pieces. So I'm going to just figure it out on my own, I guess. Okay, why this is number 3? Where is number 1? Okay, got it. I have to look at ADHD. Check. Okay, I was doing it the wrong way, but it is okay anyways. So I guess this is the bottom. Really cool and big. I love how they slice so nicely. Oh my god, we were suffering here, babies. We were suffering. Alrighty, we're gonna put kinda, if this, what? Did I miss something? 1, 2. What? That should be to that. There is 1. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna first add this piece. Guess that separate what we put in the bottom from not making it very moist and moldy. And now we're gonna add the pieces. So, oh, the hearts. That's so beautiful. Okay, that's great. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm in love. Okay, I'm gonna try to start jamming it up. This is easy. I'm giving them 5 stars on Amazon. This is really easy. Let me see. The door slides up. So I will never forget it when it opens. I'm gonna just, oh my god, now his heart's red. I am in shock. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? This is so easy. Okay. Alright, I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm already very proud that I purchased this. Okay, now I guess this is part, but this is a piece of cake. I was not expecting this. I am loving it. I am loving it. I am loving it. So you're gonna just jam up the corners. That's easy, it's not really that hard. As long as they are. I think this part is for the upper part because it doesn't have the jams underneath. That's fine, I made it up already. And this is, they both look the same. See, you can tell from the underneath here you have them kind of corners, you have to jam them up in these corners, so it makes it all secure. Yes, baby, here we go. I am loving this. Oh my god, I can't, this is too much. Okay, I think this one is for the bottom. How much? It's like 19 minutes only, and I'm doing this nicely. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oops. No. It's for the other side then. Not sure it's for the other side. Is it? No, it's not. Okay. Alrighty, I can do that. So I guess these should be up here. Okay. Sometimes I get so excited I don't look to the instruction. Which I should, you know I should. Here we go. Okay. Alrighty, okay. Oh. So excited! Oh my god. Okay. First level done. Oh my god, you guys. I'm so excited for you. So since that's on the other side, then I need to put the other one here. Which, what I'm going to do now. Makes sense. Alrighty, okay. Okay, it's a little bit tricky. It's already jammed up, but a little bit tricky. I really want to figure out how I can make this not slippery and hold up everything together. So let's make sure that all the corners are secured, really secured, before I add it up the other level. I'm just gonna give them this bed just to fly around, have fun, you know. Gonna be very happy with their kid. For me, like always, because I still need to make like kind of covering, like underneath cover for when they shed their leather. I'm gonna cry. This is so pretty and they totally deserve this. They totally deserve it. Oh my birdies, I love you so much. I put like the toys in here. Should I like add them now? I'm gonna just add them. We're gonna put this here. I would recommend this one. Okay, I guess we're gonna put this later on. For now, I really want to make sure they have nice, because they have two. They have small ones. Why? Because they're gonna have one upper here, so I need it. What? Oh. What is that for? Okay. Only have two. But what is it for though? That's the thing. Is it like to hang it down here? What is this? Or maybe to jam them all together? Okay.
6 hours later.
doing? Mommy purchased this beautiful home for you. Yeah. It's your new big amazing home. Fun in here. Hurry. We're gonna have fun in here. Come on. Maybe I should just plug it down up there. What do you think? Too many games.